Good morning students, we are continuing lesson number 5. Children, before understanding some more formatting features, it is important to understand why we are using these features. Before using the computers to create the project reports and any other document, research text papers, people were using paper and pen or different colors. But nowadays, people are creating a project reports in computer, and MS Word is most popular software for creating a project reports, research text papers and other important documents, because once we have prepare our project report in Microsoft Word, we can easily take the printout, and after taking the printout we can use those papers reports wherever we want. So now we will understand that how can we apply border and shading and how can we insert a cover page in our document. So first we will understand the border. As you understanding, if you like to place a border around a text to make it more attractive, we can use border feature of MS Word. How can we do this? For that we have to use border button that is located on a home tab. Now to apply border to a paragraph or a text, we have to select that paragraph or text and then we click on a border button that is in the home group. When we click, a list of border options appears and we can select any border we like bottom border or only, top border for our paragraph, left border, right border, all borders or outside borders. Whatever the option we like, we can select the option and see border will be applied to our text and paragraph. Now one more way we can apply the border is use of border and shading dialog box. To use border and shading dialog box, children, we have to click to the border and shading option that is in the list of border options available. When we click on a border and shading option, border and shading dialog box appears. As you can see in this dialog box, on the top there are 3 tabs. इसमें 3 tabs है top पे, border tab, page border tab and shading tab. So we will understand about border tab and shading tab. Children, page border use when we want a page border for our document. Now in border tab, what we have to do? We will select the line style that we like to apply. We can select color also and width of the line. We want thick line outside the text. We want thin line. This is our choice. We can select any width. And if you will see carefully, right side it shows preview also, that how our text will look. So when you see that your text is looking appropriate, simply you have to click on OK button. So this way we can apply border. Now to apply shading. Shading means to fill the color in the text. To apply shading to a text, children, what we will do, we have to click on a home tab and in paragraph group there is a shading button available. We will select the text and we will click on a drop down arrow next to shading button. When we click, a list of colors appears. We can choose any color that we like to apply. And the color we have selected apply to the text. It fill the color in the text. Another method is the border and shading dialog box. Yes, for that we have to click to the drop down arrow of border button and list of options appears. In the list, last option is border and shading option, and when we click on a border and shading option, border and shading dialog box appears. In that we have to click on a shading tab. In the shading tab we have a fill list box. From that we can select the color of our choice and then we will see in the preview that how the color will applied to paragraph, and if we like we can click on a OK button. Next is cover page. As I told you children that nowadays mostly we are preparing our project reports in Microsoft Word and then we take the printout. So you know very well that everyone likes to create a beautiful attractive cover page for the project report. You people also prepare the project reports in various subjects. For that we will use the cover page option that is available in a Microsoft, and Microsoft provide a gallery of pre-designed cover page. There are already samples of cover page are in the list and we can select any of the cover page style that we like. To insert a cover page we have to click on a insert tab, and when we click on a insert tab in pages group children there is a cover page option. We can click on a cover page option. Now a gallery of cover pages style will appear. We can select any style that we like to insert. We have to click on it, and as we click on a desired cover page style we will see that cover page will be applied in our document. And now we can click in various text boxes like title we can change, subtitle. If you want to change the date we can insert the date also, and if you want to write a short summary of our document we can also insert, because cover page children is very important for every project report that gives some information about the complete document. See, once we have replaced, our cover page will look like that. Like I have written about computer is my title. So this way we can insert a cover page in a document children. Thank you.